Go to your cPanel, go to the security section, let's encrypt. From here, you're gonna select that domain you want to add the SSL to. Choose let's encrypt SSL, install, and it's gonna be added to the queue. So you gotta wait about 10 minutes for it to appear up here. Okay, so let's say it's added up there. You would select select in action, HTTPS settings, and this one would naturally be off. This is how you would see it. So you turn it on, and then you enable the external links rewrite as well. Click OK, and you're done. It should take about 10 to 20 minutes or 10 to 30 minutes for the whole thing to take effect. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I hope this helps you.